Hi, my name is Joanne, 29 years old from Dasmariñas, Cavite, Philippines. I have experience in sales where I've learned how to communicate clearly, understand customers' needs, and build strong relationships. I enjoy working with people and finding solutions. That creates value for the both customer and the business. I am motivated, adaptable, and always eager to learn and grow. I'm gonna read the script that you have sent to me a while ago. Hello, am I speaking with John? Great. My name is Joanne and I'm an intake specialist. My role is to gather the details of your story and prepare the necessary documents. Once we're done, I'll hand your file off to your assigned attorney, who will begin preparing your case. I've reviewed what you shared in your form. Thank you for being open. The more details we have, the stronger your case can be. I'll ask a few follow up questions to complete your file. Is that okay?